Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cattaleya English. Today we are diving into something really fun and useful, the kind of advanced English vocabulary native speakers use in their everyday lives. I've put a list of words and phrases I find myself using all the time. I think you will find them incredibly valuable. Ready to sound like a pro? Let's do this! First up, inside out. This is something being turned so its inner surface is on the outside, but we use it a bit more figuratively. Think about Ted Lasso. He is often the only one who truly understands what's going on with the team, even when others don't. He'd know the situation inside out. Or imagine someone describing a complicated project. Don't worry, I know this project inside out. And the opposite, of course, right side out. Again, literally meaning your clothes are facing the correct way. In the office, Michael Scott often creates chaos. If Dwight finally managed to get everything organized and working perfectly, you could say he finally got the project right side out. Or after a messy argument, someone might say, let's just talk this through and get things right side out. Moving on to comfy. This one you will hear constantly. It's a casual shortening of comfortable. Think about the ultimate relaxation scene. Maybe after a long day in France, Chandler wants to collapse on the sofa. He'd say, I just want to get comfy and watch some TV. Or imagine someone inviting you over, come on in, make yourself comfy. Now fancy. This word has a few layers. It can mean elaborate or expensive, but also something that's not ordinary. In Bridgerton, the balls, the dresses, the palaces, it's all very fancy. If someone invites you to a really upscale restaurant, they might say, we are going somewhere a bit fancy tonight. And the other use? If someone says, I don't fancy going out tonight, it means they don't feel like going out or don't particularly want to. Number 5 is chill or chilled. This is about being relaxed and not stressed. It can be used for people and situations. In Stranger Things, when they are not fighting monsters, the kids are pretty chilled. Just chill out, man, is something you'd hear if someone is too stressed. If a situation is chilled, it's relaxed and informal. We proceed with gut feeling or gut reaction. This comes from your intuition, this deep down sense. In any detective show like Sherlock, when Sherlock has a hunch based on tiny clues, that's a gut feeling. I don't have a logical reason, but I have a gut feeling that something is wrong. A gut reaction is your immediate instinctive response. Number 7 is vibe. You hear this everywhere. It's about the atmosphere or feeling of a place or situation. Think about parks and recreation. The town of Pony has a very specific quirky vibe. You'd say, this cafe has such a good vibe. Or about the person, he's got a really positive vibe. Now legit. It's a shortened informal version of legitimate. It means real, genuine, authentic or valid. If someone shows you something amazing they made, you'd say, wow, that's legit. In Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, when Miles is discovering his powers, he'd be like, this is legit, I can actually do this. Let's look at basically. This is a workhorse of conversations. It means in essence, fundamentally. It is used to simplify a complex idea. If you are explaining a complex plot point from Game of Thrones, you might start with, basically the war was about who sat on the throne, or basically I'm just tired. For our grand finale, I've got actually. This word is about emphasis and correction. It is used to emphasize a statement, introduce a surprising fact, or correct a misunderstanding. If someone assumes something about you, you might say, well, actually, I prefer coffee. In The Good Place, Eleanor is constantly surprising people with her actual intentions or understanding. You think I did X. Actually, I did Y. And there you have it. 10 words and phrases native English speakers use every day. The key is to practice them. Which of these words are you going to try using first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.